Hi guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, you can tell it's nighttime because I have these horrible LED lights. I think people are starting to change them out, but anyway, I'm going to do a quick video tonight. I've been meaning to get this made, and it's so easy. And again, it's one of those things that just tastes so much better when it's made fresh with, you know, with ingredients that you can actually pronounce. So I'm going to make mine, and I'm going to put it in ice cube trays, and either just freeze them and then shrink wrap them with the food saver, or I might even freeze dry them depending on how much I have. But I've got my basil all washed and dried. I washed it. There's some leaves that are not that good. I've sorted most of it through. I'm doing a double batch, of course. I never do a single batch of anything. I read that you can actually put the seeds in. You get more flavor from that, so I'm tossing those in too. There's quite a few seeds on it. So I've harvested as much as I could. A little bit of it went bad in the fridge because it was in there for a couple of days, and I have the rest in my Breville food processor. I love this thing. It's huge, so you can do big batches in it. And this is the recipe that I'm using. The shadows from this lighting are just terrible too, but that gives you a good shot. Really, it's just toss all the ingredients into the food processor, blend, and put in jars or ice cube trays. There's just nothing to it. So having my own fresh basil just makes me so happy. I'm using olive oil. I do use avocado oil for a lot of things now too, but I've got my salt, pepper, garlic. I use some of the garlic from my seed garlic. I have a few bulbs of it left. It's so fresh. And so I've put some of that in here. I will use some to make my salsa too. I would love to make some sun-dried tomato pesto too, but I will have to do that another day. So I've got my pine nuts in here. Some people call for using walnuts in it. I like it with the pine nuts. So, and then I've got real Parmesan. We buy the wedges at Costco. I despise the what I call the sawdust kind. We buy the wedges at Costco of real Parmesan and grate it ourselves, and then we keep it in a bag in the freezer and just take it out when we need it. So we grate a whole wedge of it at a time. Whether you're having spaghetti, lasagna, anything, it just makes it so much better having real Parmesan in it. Now I'm just going to get all the leaves picked off these stems and tossed in the food processor, and that's the last ingredient I need to toss in there. Okay guys, I've got my basil. That worked out to be about just right. It's about 7 cups, and this calls for 6, so it's not packed in there. It says freshly packed, but, or no, firmly packed. Oh dear. Oops. Oh well. Just gonna have to do. I'm always winging it. Might be a little runny, but I don't care. It's gonna taste so good. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. And actually it doesn't look too runny. It looks pretty close to perfect to me. I'm just gonna process it a little bit more, and we'll put it in the ice cube trays. Look at the color. My goodness. Okay, I've got these kind of ice cube trays, but you know what? I think I'm going to try using these silicone molds. I think I bought this one for making homemade peppermint patties. I think that will be another day. But this one is a little deeper. I have no idea. I think I maybe bought this one to make peanut butter cups. Who knows? I don't know, but I'm gonna fill this one up first, and then, you know, I could always just use 2 of these for a recipe. I haven't used these for this type of thing before, so I'm gonna try them, and we'll see if they come out of the silicone better than that type of ice cube tray. Okay guys, this one has worked out pretty good. I think I should have measured, of course, but I didn't. I think it's a couple of tablespoons in there, which is great. I'm going to put this one in the freezer. There's really not that much left here. So I think I will just use one of the blue ice cube trays rather than this one. So I got 9 out of 10 portions in this filled. I'll put this in the freezer, and that is done. Well guys, I'm sure many of you out there have already made pesto on your own. It makes it so much nicer when you have the ingredients that you've grown yourself. My 2 big basil plants, I harvested pretty much everything off of them. They're not looking very healthy. I am not a good basil grower. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I did move the basil to the east window, and it's not doing that good. It was doing better down at the west end of the greenhouse. Maybe I'll move it again. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's the lower temperatures, so just the coolness coming off the glass. But I got enough basil to make this double batch of pesto, so that is a win-win for me. And I happen to have all the other ingredients in the house. So that is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Now get out there and make some pesto of your own. It's so easy and so good.